What is loss adjustment in car accident cases? After a car accident, the at-fault insurance company has a duty to start loss adjustment. You may be asking yourself, what is loss adjustment? Loss adjustment occurs when the insurance company responsible for fixing the damages assigns an adjuster to the claim. An adjuster is an experienced person that basically knows how to figure out what damages have been done and how to fix them. Loss adjustment involves estimating the damaged vehicles for property damage repairs. If your vehicle has been damaged in an accident, the adjuster for the responsible insurance company has to have your vehicle undergo an estimate. The estimated repairs will be fixed by the insurance company of the at-fault party. They will likely send you to a mechanic or shop to get the estimate done. After the estimate's done, you have the right to get the vehicle repaired wherever you would like. You can use whatever automotive repair shop or body shop that is local and convenient for you. You also have a right to get your rental vehicle. To get a rental vehicle, the defendant insurance company has to provide you with a rental vehicle while your vehicle is being repaired. That has a lot to do with the property damage aspect of loss adjustment. You also are entitled for your personal injuries. The adjuster evaluating your medical bills and records and offering you amount to pay those medical bills and also your pain and suffering.